So I upgraded the video card in the machine that I'm building for my daughter. I put in a RTX 1060 Ultra, and really happy with the performance when gaming. Um, I also put in a new 1 terabyte SSD um, hard drive, and when I went to install Windows, I couldn't find my Windows 10 disk, so I had to install Windows 7, and I plan on upgrading to 10. I have the key and everything to do that. So, but when I installed Chrome to, for the web browsing and stuff and to upgrade to 10, I noticed that my thumbnails were really white, and when I hover them, they go negative. They're doing a negative, and it was baffling me. And it wasn't doing this on anything other than the browser. The game played perfect. You know, the color and everything for those were good. But as you can see, I'm getting a negative. So I finally figured it out, that it was set to high contrast mode. So what I did is up here in this corner, click that, and it was set to inverted colors. I don't know how it's set there for default, but click normal, disable, and it's back.